Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best air fryer dehydrator in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Ninja AF101 4-quart Air Fryer Dehydrator. Ninja AF101 with a 4-quart capacity and 4 functions, including dehydrate, air fry, air roast, and reheat, is the ideal solution for limited kitchen space. You can either choose one of these 4 programmable modes quickly by its one-touch display or manually set your preferred time and temperature. No more unhealthy dishes, it is time to enjoy your favorite fried foods with 75% less fat. Now enjoy guilt-free food. Air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Wide temperature range. 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. Number 9. Yeti Total Package 12.7-quart Air Fryer Dehydrator. In one purchase of Yeti Total Package Air Fryer, you will have more than included accessories to help your cooking experience be much more pleasant. Regardless of what function you select, this one will let you prepare delicacies healthier and faster. Another good side about this one is their size. Though it has a big capacity, Yeti Total Package still owns a perfect size for a small kitchen. Moreover, I highly appreciate their risk-free shopping policy, as you can ask for a refund or replacement if there is any problem in 1 year of use. Oprah's favorite things. The Yeti Total Package Air Fryer Oven is the only air fryer oven to ever be selected to the famed Oprah's Favorite Things list. Within 1 year of your purchase, Yeti Houseware will refund your money and/or replace your purchase if you have any issues with it. Number 8. Emeril Lagasse Power 360 Air Fryer Dehydrator. If you love rotisserie dishes as much as I do, let's give this Emeril Lagasse Power 360 appliance a shot. This is one of the best-liked air fryers with rotisserie in the market, and I am pretty sure you will be a happy customer. Besides the rotisserie function, there are other options like baking, dehydrating, air frying, toasting, roasting, broiling, reheating, slow cooking, pizza, and bagel. So do not limit your dining ideas when using it. On the other hand, the 360-degree turbo airflow technology will ensure your chicken will come out with a perfect crispy yet tender texture and a stunning golden appearance. Work 40% faster than normal convection ovens, equipped with turbo airflow technology with 360-degree air circulation and 5 heating elements. 12 cooking modes consisting of air fry, rotisserie, bake, toast, reheat, dehydrate, roast, broil, bagel, pizza, slow cook, and keep warm. XL capacity with 930 cubic inches to hold a whole chicken. Include a useful rotisserie accessory set. Number 7. Ninja OP302 Footy 6.5-quart Air Fryer Dehydrator. There are differences between air fryers and pressure cookers, but how about the combination of them for an outstanding air fryer pressure cooker? If you opt for Ninja OP302 Footy, your culinary ideas will be upgraded. There are 9 functions in this machine, including pressure cook, slow cook, steam, bake roast, sear sauté, air crisp, dehydrate, broil, and make yogurt, so if you find these options fit with your cooking style, why hesitate to get one? In addition, it includes 14 safety features to increase your confidence when cooking. With a non-PTFE PFOA basket, your foods will come out healthy and tasty. The fryer will generate a lot of heat during use. The hot air vent of our fryer is at the bottom. Please pay attention to heat dissipation and protection during use, and avoid placing it directly on a cold table. Number 6. OMMO 17-quart Air Fryer Dehydrator. OMMO is the hands-down air fryer toaster oven combo with a dehydrator function. So what makes it so special? It is a family-sized device that you can feed for 2 to 9 people. You can accommodate a whole chicken or a pizza inside it. Moreover, the 8 pre-programmed modes allow you to prepare meals with just a touch. No fuss no muss cooking, isn't it? This OMMO appliance also comes with 6 free accessories to improve the preparation as well as the final result of your meals. The air fryer features a super spacious 17 QT capacity, perfect choice to serve a large family or entertain guests. You can cook whole chicken, or big meals with the rotisserie spit and forks, incredibly easy to fry up your main course and side dish all at once. The relatively compact size and the black modern look make the big air fryer a good fit on most kitchen countertops. Number 5. Cosori 32-quart Air Fryer Dehydrator. Cosori 32-quart is an ideal air fryer with a large capacity. And it is a life changer for anyone who loves to throw a party, potluck, because of its huge capacity. With 12 automatic presets, it also offers the easiest cooking environment, limiting the correct time and temperature estimation. What's better? You will be pleased with its high-tech smart control via phone to monitor the cooking process, control degree and timing, etc. Moreover, you can check for other 100 recipes on the VSync app when you do not know what to prepare for breakfast, lunch, dinner. However, if you think a 32-quart model is too much, you can check its smaller one like the 26-quart Cosori air fryer with 11 presets and a lower price. Number 4. GoWise USA 17-quart Air Fryer Dehydrator. What is better than homemade beef jerky, right? So do not miss this useful dehydrator for jerky if you want to make these tasty snacks. GoWise USA Air Fryer is full-set cookware that allows you to dehydrate foods from 1 to 24 hours within a temperature range from 90 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit, including 5 racks with various accessories. You can create a bunch of healthy snacks with fruits, veggies, or jerky. On the other hand, it is also a powerful air fryer to bake, roast, toast, and rotisserie a whole chicken. Or you can choose its 8 automatic presets and let it transform your foods into delicious delicacies, create healthy snacks for your family and pets, use up to 5 included racks to make healthy treats like fruit leather, kale chips, granola, herb and spice blends, beef jerky, or even pet treats. All with no added sugar, salt, or preservatives, and for only a fraction of the cost of the store-bought equivalents. Dehydrate and preserve foods safely with adjustable settings. The Mojave's Dehydrate setting features a temperature range of 90°F, 170°F and the ability to set the time from 1-24 hours, meaning you can dehydrate a variety of foods at the proper time and temp. Number 3. Chefman Multifunctional 10.5-quart Air Fryer Dehydrator. You can tell how versatile this item is right from its name. Indeed, Chefman Multifunctional Air Fryer is an awesome one that contains 17 cooking presets along with dehydrator, rotisserie, air fryer, and baking functions. Besides, it will not ask for any preheating time to ensure the quickest way to prepare meals. It can also cut down at least 98% oil than other fryer styles without compromising any crispy texture. Another good news is all the included accessories are dishwasher friendly. No matter how busy you are, let this air fryer make your life easier, especially in the kitchen. DOIT all-in-one, this versatile product functions as an air fryer, rotisserie spit, oven, and dehydrator, perfect for nearly any rapid cooking or baking task. Make healthy fries with less or no oil for that perfectly crispy and tasty, roast a whole chicken, or dehydrate that leftover produce you've been meaning to eat. Cooking simplified, this multifunctional air fryer cooks faster than a traditional oven and does not require preheating, helping you achieve a healthy, crispy, fried finish using at least 98% less oil than traditional fryers. The capacitive touch control screen display is easy to use and 17 preset options make any kitchen task easy, from frying and roasting, to dehydrating and baking. Number 2. Ultrian 12.5-quart Air Fryer Dehydrator. This one is not only a great air fryer with a cost under $100, it also has an extra-large 12.5-quart capacity. Therefore, the Ultrian 12.5-quart air fryer is truly a good bargain one if you live with your family. Additionally, you can utilize it like a dehydrator, air fryer, convection oven, and rotisserie, so you do not need to invest in many different cookware to do all these jobs. Controlled by knob and LCD buttons, this product provides both manual and digital ways to choose or adjust the suitable setting, time, and temperature. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer Dehydrator. Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer is one of the best sellers thanks to various handy functionalities like air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and of course, dehydrate. It also has a smaller model with Instant Vortex Plus 4-quart. Just by one touch, all of the preset programs will be processed shortly to deliver the most delectable dishes. And with a wide range of temperatures from 90 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, You can customize suitable temperatures easily. Moreover, no matter what function you choose, this product's built-in safety features will keep you safe from overheating with overheat protection and automatic turn-off.